Welcome to the JPS Management Portal series. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of bulk adding users by downloading, editing, and importing the bulk add template available on the JPS VIA Management Portal site. In order to obtain the bulk add users template, you will need to log into the JPS VIA Management Portal, select the appropriate department, and click on the Users tab. Here, you will find the link to the template file as well as the bulk import button. Click on the template file to begin the download. The bulk add users document comes in the form of an Excel spreadsheet. Upon first glance, you can see that the options available mirror those in the individual add user settings provided in the JPS VIA Management Portal. As with a single user add, the required fields are user login, first name, and last name. Providing a phone number and wireless carrier, or an email address, allows the JPS VIA Manager the ability to send the user an activation notice containing the mobile download link. MEID is intended for use with Brew devices only. Client type is a drop-down list, and the proper device should be selected. Activation type is also a drop-down list. In order for the system to automatically send an activation code, select Activation Code. Manual allows for manual activation using the system-generated activation code at a later time, while MEID, again, should only be used with Brew devices. By assigning yes to maximal contacts, all other department members will be added to the new user's contact list, and the new user will be added to their contact list as well. To configure contact lists manually, no should be selected. To assign a feature key template and/or a settings template, you would place the name of the template in either of these boxes. If the default is preferred, the box should remain blank. Prior to importing the spreadsheet, you will need to convert it to a CSV file. Similar processes can be followed for the other templates available, which allow an administrator to activate users, add contacts, and delete contacts all in bulk form. Once the spreadsheet has been imported, you will notice that the users list has been updated, and all contacts are available to that user. Here, you will need to modify the priority of individual users as well, as that is not a feature available in the bulk add template. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial video detailing the bulk add user process. Be sure to check out the next video in the series, which focuses on creating and modifying the different types of talk groups available to JPS VIA users.